Hi, in this video we are going to discuss the program, assembly level program, which will add two 16 uh, bit numbers with and without considering the carry. So these are the some steps you have to follow while writing and executing the program. We'll discuss in depth in the TASM software itself. This is algorithm carried out uh, to perform the 16-bit addition. Uh, this is the flow chart. That is first of all, we are initialize the CX register for the carry as a 00. We are loaded the first memory location or the contents of the first variable into the AX, another into the BX. We are performing the addition. We check for the carry. If carry generated, this is available in CX register. If it is not, the final result is available in CX. This block is shown is for storing the generated result into the memory location. So generated result, AX result is stored in the memory location via C variable, and carry is stored via a D variable. Okay. Then we are moved to the another part, that is a programming part. Open the TASM. First of all, write the program using the edit file name dot asm. The program is already written. And this is the definition of the model, that is a dot model small. Here it is a data segment where we can write the uh, assigned variables. So A variable first number, B variable contains another number, C is for storing the final upper bytes of final result, or D is for storing the carry. This is the code segment area. These are the two important instructions while writing the any program. That is a move AX comma at the rate DX, sorry, at the rate data, move DX comma AX. So this is the first, we are initializing CX. Move the contents of A variable, that is first number into X, another number into Bx. We are performing the addition. Then we will check for the carry. If there is a no carry, then it will jump to this specified label, and final result is stored in X. So X contains in is moved into the memory location via C. If there is a carry generated, then contents of the C variable C register is increased by 1. So same result we can store into the memory location through this variable D, and this is the interrupt. After that, we are save the program and then exit it for compiling, linking, and uh, execution purpose. So first of all, we are compile the program using the command tasm filename dot asm. So this is compilation. If there is error, the error is shown as error message. So there is a no error. Now we are going to perform the another task called as the linking task. So this is the t-link, then file name. So linking is done. Then last part is to execute the program. It is a td, the file name dot exe. You can write or not. If you have to display something on this window, then you have to execute. We are not going to display anything. We are just debug the program. That's why there is no need of the execution. If you want to anything print on this window, there should be the dot exe command. So it will directly jump to the dots. So this is your main program. So this can be executed using F7 command step by step. So CX is 0, A contains the first number. So you can observe that the variable A is at the memory location 00E. So contents of 00E is now transferred into the AX register. Now you can check. Similarly, B into the BX register. These are the two numbers you have to add. So after performing this, result is stored in AX, and this indicate that carry is generated. It will check. This instruction is check for carry. You can know that we can observe here carry is generated. So that's why it not jump directly into this uh, instruction. It will first go in this instruction and increase the contents of CX. Initially it is a 00. Now it will increase by 1. Now AX is contents of AX. Final result is available. Upper bytes of final result is available in AX. It is transferred into the memory location, that is 00, 13 and 12, and then carry is stored in 14, and this is the interrupt. Now you can observe the memory location in the view menu. Under that, the dump. So these are the different memory locations from where you access the data as well as store the data. First data is available in E. So this is the E and F. So this is the 16 bit. So this 8 bit data, 1 byte data is another available in upper location, and then lower location. 8 is C5 is the one number, 9 is C2 is the second number. This is the result which is available in the AX register, which transferred to the memory location via C variable, that is a 2887. You can see here 2887. So using move C comma AX, we transfer this data into the memory location, and at 14 you have the carry. So this is the difference. These are the different steps you have to follow while writing and executing the program. After that, you have to quit it, and this is the that much part I want to deliver to you in this lecture. And you can exit from this command window writing the exit.